A differential fluid change might cost around $100 at a shop, but ignoring it can eventually turn into a repair costing well into the thousands. The differential, the gearbox that lets your left and right wheels rotate at different speeds, depends on a surprisingly small amount of oil to protect some very expensive gears and bearings. Differential fluid is thick gear oil that creates a protective film between metal gears and bearings. It reduces friction, carries heat away from the contact surfaces, and prevents the gear teeth from welding, scoring, or wearing themselves apart when the drivetrain is under heavy load. There is no universal differential fluid interval. Depending on the vehicle, manufacturers may specify anything from roughly 30,000 miles to well beyond 60,000 miles, while some simply call the fluid lifetime fill. The correct starting point is always the maintenance schedule for your exact vehicle. Towing, off-roading, repeated hard acceleration, track driving, and heavy commercial use put much more heat and pressure into the differential. Under those conditions, the oil can oxidize and lose protection faster, which is why severe service schedules often call for earlier changes than normal commuting. Gear oils are commonly classified under API specifications such as GL4 and GL5, which describe different levels of extreme pressure protection. GL5 is designed for heavily loaded high-point gears commonly found in differentials, but that does not mean you should automatically substitute it anywhere GL4 is specified. Use the exact specification required by the manufacturer. The additive package in gear oil affects how it behaves under extreme pressure and how compatible it is with certain metals and drivetrain components. Using an unapproved viscosity or GL classification can change lubrication, wear protection, and even shift or differential behavior, so matching the specification matters more than simply buying the most expensive oil. A limited slip differential, or LSD, can send more torque to the tire with better traction instead of letting one wheel spin freely. Many clutch-type LSDs require a friction modifier, an additive that controls how the internal clutch plates grab and release. Without the correct fluid or additive, you may get chatter, binding, or poor limited slip operation. Some modern differentials are marketed as sealed or filled for life, sometimes with no normal service interval listed. Lifetime, however, usually means the manufacturer does not schedule routine replacement under its defined service life. It does not mean the oil can never degrade. Whether to service these units preventively is debated, especially if the vehicle is kept for very high mileage. Old or contaminated fluid can show up as whining or humming that changes with vehicle speed, grinding noises, excessive heat, or a strong burnt oil smell. If the fluid is drained and contains obvious metallic flakes or chunks, that can point to internal wear rather than a simple overdue fluid change. Once lubrication breaks down, bearings can wear and develop play, while the ring and pinion gears, the large gear and the smaller drive gear that turns it, can develop surface pitting. That changes how the gears mesh, creating more noise and heat. In severe cases, bearings or gear teeth can fail completely and destroy the differential. For a simple serviceable differential, DIY cost is often roughly $30 to $100 for the correct gear oil, depending on capacity and whether premium synthetic fluid is required. Add a few dollars to perhaps $30 or more for a gasket, sealing washer, friction modifier, or replacement plug if the design requires them. Always remove the fill plug before draining so you know you can refill it. A professional differential fluid service commonly lands around $80 to $250 per differential, but labor rates, fluid type, capacity, accessibility, and gasket replacement can move that number higher. Some vehicles are quick drain and fill jobs, others require removing the differential cover, cleaning the sealing surface, and installing a new gasket or sealant. Rear-wheel drive vehicles usually have a rear differential, while many four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive vehicles also have a front differential. Some AWD systems also use a separate transfer case or power transfer unit, which contains its own lubricant and service requirements. So when a shop quotes drivetrain fluids, make sure you know exactly which units are being serviced. Check your owner's manual or factory maintenance schedule for the exact fluid specification and interval, then shorten that interval if the vehicle regularly tows, goes off-road, or sees hard driving, And if you do not know when the differential was last serviced on a used vehicle, inspecting the fluid and service history is a smart place to start.